Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add dropshipping products to your Wix store really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, what you need to do here, you need to basically press on the edit side and be on this window where you can basically edit your site. And then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go on add apps, and on the Wix app market you need to write dropshipping, and what you need to do here, you need to go on Sprocket US and EU dropshipping and add this app to your website, right? So here it will be installed, and simply what you need to do here is press to install this app. So as you can see here, I already got this Sprocket plugin on my Wix website, and once you install it, you will see similar window to this, and basically you can search products by keywords, by niches, for example women's clothing, jewelry, tech accessories and more. And also you can sort it out by shipping time, relevance, and for example if I sort it out by shipping time, you can see that it says shipping time 1 to 3 days. It shows price, retail price, and shipping price. And also you can sort it out by fast US shipping, free shipping, and way more, right? So, and that's pretty much it, what you need to do. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.